So this is the third in a series of perimeter defense, bunkers, and trenches. We're going to look at trenches today. This is just a rough excavated trench. These are your dimensions you can screenshot. You can lay these out, and what I would do is you don't want to have long straight stretches, because if somebody uses an explosive or a flame weapon in it, it would kill a lot of people. So what you want to do is have bends in here and curves. That way blast doesn't travel through your trench and kill a lot of people. Now, this is one where we're looking at a rough dimension. It doesn't have the deep firing pits and side enclosures and stuff, but it shows you how to put overhead cover on it. With drone operations, they could just drop rocks and weights on you and kill you with a drone. If they have explosives, you definitely want protection overhead cover. And with the prevalence in drones, you definitely want to put overhead cover in certain locations of your trench. This is how we reinforce the side. What we do here is we take a lot of material, small trees from a thicket, and we weave together a mat, and we stake them in the side here, and that keeps your trench from falling down and caving in on you. This is more detail on using pickets. You can use roofing sheet material such as sheet tin off of roofs. You can use plastic sheeting from roofs. You can use wood 2x4s, whatever. And you can see how it's staked in here. And what you want to do is run wire here and put a stake on the other side here to help hold tension against your trenches. This is an example with chicken wire. You can use chicken wire, safety wire. You can use chain link wire. And you do the same thing. You put a picket post here against the wire. You pull a string, rope, or a metal cable or wire, and you stake it down to maintain your tension. Now, you're definitely going to need to build some trench works if you're going to defend an entire neighborhood or a town in SHTF. You may want to build trench work in order to move from bunker to bunker and not be seen and not be fired on. So these are considerations you need to keep in mind. Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.